Hello there, family friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones back on the road. I'll see you in a minute. New video. Alrighty then. Without further ado, let's get this video started. Congratulations to all the ones that passed and obtained the CDLs. I knew you can do it. I knew you can focus on it. And I'm so happy that you did it. And that's a great feeling. I'm telling you, it's a blessing for me to help you. It's a blessing for me to share with you the road of being a truck driver. And there's a lot of people and there's a lot of companies that has new drivers, new students, new staff. And that's an awesome feeling. You know, it's a great feeling for me to be helping a lot of people, you know, and it's a long journey. Yes, it is, and I always said it on all my videos that it can be done. All right, so real quick, I have a couple of emails, and then the emails is that that says this that how come I don't do a video performing a maneuver on the blind side, and then, you know, my answer to that is, me personally, I don't like to back in on the blind side because you can't really see anything. There's nothing, you know, you only have that and your blind side mirror. That's all you have. Only two small mirrors. Okay? So then I always back up on the driver's side, because on the driver's side you have more view and you can see everything you're doing. You know, and plus when you're closing the gap, opening the gap, that's you leaning out the door. You can see whatever you're doing, you know, performing your maneuver. And the only way and the only times that I ever do perform a blind back is when I know there's a big lot. When there's a big lot and there's over like 8 empty spots, then I will do it. Perform you know, but here in the East Coast, there's no need to. Every customer that I've been to, it's always been on the driver's side backup, you know, and it's always been on this side that I had to, you know, perform a maneuver and drop a load, you know, do a delivery, pick up a delivery. It's always been on the driver's side, you know, so then I never had to. But, you know, but you personally, if you feel as though that you need help trying it, listen, don't even try it, man. Don't even try it. Like I said, I mean, I won't do a video because it's hard. It's hard. All you have is just a little convex mirror and then your standard mirror, and that's pretty much it. You know, a lot of people perform it. Yeah, a lot of people done it, but I'm not even gonna go there. You know, it's just a waste of time. You know, so it's either, you know, do it or don't do it. Honestly, I won't do it. Now, if I have to do a U-turn to drive to back in on the driver's side, I will do the U-turn, you know. And then another thing is that I want to tell you is that get out of the look as many times as you want, as many times as you can. I did 3 videos, I only got out of the look 1 time, you know, because I'm confident in what I'm doing. But you personally, get out of the look, you know, and as much as you can, as many times as you can, all right? So that's basically what it is, okay? So I'll keep you posted and I'll check you out on my next video. So I just want to say, drive safe, be safe, fly safe. God bless you. I love you. I'll catch you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Later.